Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an update for the project polish for you. And if my hat looks shiny, then that is because the weather in Dublin, I don't know what's going on, but it's been 27 degrees today, which I have no idea what that is in Fahrenheit, so if you are curious, do a little translation there. But in this country, I don't know, in the Netherlands where I'm from, 27 degrees is still nice. Here, 27 degrees, it is way too much. As much as we're always complaining about the grey clouds and everything here in Ireland, I think I'm not made for this type of weather anymore after living here for about 7 years. So yeah, shiny. I only applied my makeup like 30 minutes to an hour ago, and this is what I already look like. And I did put on powder. So anyway, that was me rambling about the weather for a minute. Let's actually get back to what you actually came here for, the nail polishes. So I'm gonna go through the shades, starting off with the one that I've used the least. Pretty sure that's this one. This is Orly Lunar Eclipse. No, I keep saying that. It's not rocket science. And I've used this one once earlier this week, but that was not enough to make a new mark on it. I still really love this shade, but I've been really focused on that red shade that I'm wearing right now, so I haven't been getting to this one too much. Plus the pastel-y Catrice shade that I'm working on is a little bit more right for this time of the year than this one, so I want to make sure that one is finished off as well by the time we kind of get to fall-ish. Let's see if I can do that. The one that I don't have a marking on as well is the Catrice Cosmetics top coat in Have a Nice Day. This is like a really like multi-colored glitter when the light hits it right. So for this one I've used it once, I think, maybe twice, but my goal was to use it at least once. I know I've hit that goal. And the line is like right below the marking, but it's one of those situations again where I'm just gonna make one really thick line if I put another marking on here, I feel like. So I didn't put a new marking, but next time I might be able to, so that's something. I was able to put a new marking on the China Glaze top coat. This is white cap, and on here I've made a little bit of progress again, so enough to make that new marking, which is always exciting. I'm kind of thinking, because this one is getting a bit lower as well, maybe I should put my focus on this one a little bit more and try to see if I can actually finish it up this year. Because I did throw this into my project last year as well, and I've just been slowly making some progress on it. Right now it's a bit hard because I've only got the one like kind of more creamy base, or like just like main color, and the other ones are sparkly already, so I don't really see the need to put a sparkly top coat on top of an already glittery nail polish. But yeah, made some progress on it, still like using it. We will get there at some point. Then the one that I just already showed you right here, this is the Catrice Am I Blue or Green nail polish. And for this one, again, I've been able to make a little bit of a marking again. I think I've used this about 4-ish times or so, maybe 3, I don't know. Yeah, still really like it. I'm about halfway on this one right now. And once I finish off the one that I have on my nails right now, this is probably gonna be my main focus. Not yet, but I'm at least trying to make sure I make some proper progress on it every single time, because I don't really see myself wearing this in fall. Although with especially the glittery top coat, this could be a pretty good winter shade as well, because as much as the shade says am I blue or green, this definitely is a light blue for me. So it's a nice pastel for in like spring, summertime, but at the same time it can be a bit of a more like frosty shade as well for winter. So yeah, it still has possibilities to be used in the upcoming time. Last shade, China Glaze Ruby Palms, one of my favorite shades ever. I've already showed you my hands 10 times by now, I feel like. I really love this one, and I made some really nice progress on it. This has been my main focus shade over the last month. I must have used it at least 8, 9, 10-ish times. My goal was to kind of try and use up half of what was in here. I wasn't sure whether I was gonna make it, but I feel like I got pretty close, which you can see better in a close-up, of course. So I'm happy about that, and maybe, just maybe, I will be able to finish this one off by next time. Like, I definitely will be really close. I don't know if I can make it all the way, but I'm gonna try and see how far I can get on it. it will be a shame to see this one go, but at the same time I can be happy that then I've used this all the way up and I didn't let it just stand there and get completely goopy without me even properly using it. So that is really nice. It's such a lovely shade, and especially when the sun hits it and the like lighter red glitters come out as well. I love it. Can't say much more than that. So yeah, main goal for next time, like I said, is to use this one up. I don't really want to set goals for the other stuff per se, because I feel like this is going to take up most of my time. I might have to reapply it back to back, although I've kind of been doing this one in another shade and then this one in another shade. So let's see what we can do. And to just keep that theme going with the toppers, I want to use both of these at least once, so I can slowly but surely start to move through them, even though I only have the one cream shade. And like I said, if I get to finish up that red, which is probably not going to be likely, this one will probably be my focus shade after that. But yeah, that is it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!